Oh, after a lot of hard work, today is Sunday evening. We came here last night. Couldn't get a successful fire going. But after quite an interesting experience that I had logged just previously with the falling tree, we were lucky enough to get some auxiliary damage to a very dried up tree that we brought over, and that I took a picture of earlier, what is over there now, that we had collected from... Say hi, Sean.
Hi. Danny's first time.
From there, past my tent. What else was I going to say? Yeah, so brought all that stuff over there, and chopped some of it up, and stashed it there, and where Justin brought it over, and put it in here. There's a combination of a bit more moist stuff and dried stuff, although that's not really the dried stuff, but that's fine. But you get the picture. Or the video in this case. Haha.